Okay, so we're going to be testing out a diaper today. So these are a few things we need. We need the diaper, we need a Ziploc bag, we need a clear cup, which you can do plastic, whatever, a plastic tablespoon, and scissors. And these are the materials right now. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the diaper up like we're going to change a baby, and then we're just going to cut the middle to where there's like a little hole so that the granules can pour out. And here's the steps written out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to open it up just like this to where it's open. And then we're going to go ahead and right here where it's kind of poofy, that's where you're going to make your incision. You may have to kind of work with it and peel off some of this other stuff to kind of get to it. It just depends on how good your scissors are. Alright. Alright. And then here's, and when you start like peeling it open, you can start like to feel like little bits of like granules in it. And you can see it on my fingers as well, or that's like kind of cotton. But anyway, there's some like granules in there. So the next step is you're going to place the diaper in the plastic bag, and then you're going to seal it up, and you're going to shake it for about a minute or so, just until you see like a good bit of granules at the bottom of the bag. And you have to be careful because these little granules will get everywhere. And try to place it face down where you made the incision so it'll go to the bottom. And make sure it's zipped up good. And you're just going to shake it. And you can already see where there's a little bit of granules. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera or not, but let's see. Might have to move it around some. Some of this stuff out of here. Let's see, I'm going to open it and readjust some. of scoop the diaper to the top, so the next time you shake it, that the granules will come off of the diaper and will all stick to the diaper. So you're just gonna, when you hold it, you're gonna hold it at the top and then you're gonna shake it. And here's these steps written out. And you're gonna shake again. Alright, that should be good. Alright, and then after you do that and you have a good, you can kind of shake all the granules to the edge of the bag and you'll see a good portion. And then you'll carefully take the diaper out, and it should be kind of towards the top anyway. So you're going to take that out. Here's these steps. And I used a teaspoon to kind of guide me so I wouldn't spill all these out everywhere. And I kind of just put it, I had it in the corner and I just kind of dumped it in the teaspoon. Which I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's only like a tiny bit. And then make sure there's nothing in your glass. You'll pour them in there. Then you're going to get about a tablespoon of water. We'll pour it in there. See what happens. So as it's sitting there, we've done the experiment before, and it will turn like this, and they just gradually get bigger. So it's a bigger, and that was about the same amount that I had, and I poured it in here, and it turns into like a gel. And so this is what happens when a baby wets their diaper. It turns into like a gel. I may try to see if I put a little more in there, if you can like see, kind of enlarge, or just a little bit more. You can see how it does. You see how it's like a gel, and that's what happens. So basically this is like it's a powder, but it absorbs so much, and it's some kind of polymer that absorbs a lot of water. Oh, and I forgot to show the final step. So basically we just add a tablespoon of water, and then we saw what happened with the powder that's in the baby diaper.